Oh, hello. We're gonna play some Happy Wheels today because I realized I really haven't done that for a while. Let's see, what ones haven't we done? Dawn of the Dead level 7. That sounds safe. Segway guy! Wait. Okay. Okay. Get him. Yeah, Segway. Oh! Why are they all green? Like, I just realized that. Why are they all green? Why are all the guys green? Racism or something? What? Did I do it? What? What's happening? I did it? Oh, cool. Okay. Well, that was easy. Browse levels. Get in the box. That sounds cool. Try to get in the box and collect all the coins or do the impossible jump. Rate fairly. Please play Tobuscus. I'm Tobuscus! No, I'm not. How do I grab on again? Failed. Oh, come here, sir. Let's cuddle. No? Fine then. See how it is. Okay, I don't even understand that. Helicopter man! There. Well. Okay, we're gonna try that again. Come on, lady. No, wait. Gotta get lady. No! Get lady! Gosh dang it. Oh, I can do this. After that epic fail, we're gonna try that again. Oh, no! Too fast. Back. Gotta get the lady. No. Gotta get the lady. No. Ah! Okay. Gotta get the lady. Get the no! That one's not a man! Oh. Oh, okay. Ah! No! I'm just a fat man! God damn. Okay, anyways. So you like Bieber. Okay. No. No. Do not. That's a good level. Fuck this. After a long time, a new level, but hey, it sucks. So rate as low as you can. This sucks. We're gonna do fat lady. What is this? What? What? Okay. Oh, this one's in Spanish. Let's play this one. Second guy. Since I can't read it. Yay! I won! Okay, let me see. I don't know if you can, Willie. That sounds safe. Ah! Oh no. Oh no! Only a black man. Oh. Okay, let's try that again. I'm just a fat man. Give me a break. I'm just a fat man. I can't even. What? Oh. Nice. You can still do a tractor! Or whatever you want. I guess not. Change character. Just a Segway man. Oh, Segway. Wait, no. I know a perfect character. This guy. Come on, son! No! You're a failure. I'm so sad. God damn it. Okay. Indiana Jones. Okay. Santa Claus looks very appropriate for this. You have the idol. Whoa! Oh. Wiley, did I tell you to stop running? God damn it. Okay. Let's try to be boring and use the real Indiana Jones. Ah! Ah! I won! Ow. Well then, okay. Art donation, yum. Ah! What? What? No! I don't understand. Okay. How do I got stuff? Is it control? am I supposed to do this? I'm sorry, I'm a noob. I am a noob at this. Derp. Derpy derp. Other options. Okay. Oh, shit. No. No. Oh, it's controlled. Hey! Well. Okay, we didn't get that right. Took us forever. Okay. Oh no. I'm gonna end up stabbing myself. Okay, come on. No! Ah! Rage quits! Okay. Hazard City. Who's segueing in? Ah! Oh, okay. This is, a nice level. No. Okay. Best level ever. Okay. Come on, son. Ah! Son. Oh, disappointment. Wow. Okay. This level is starting to lose me. Okay. No! Okay. No! Nice. Okay. Okay. We're gonna wheelie it. Eat some bike. No fair. I actually like this level. I just have to beat it. No. Stupid axe. See, I'm Chuck Norris. You can't do nothing. Oh, okay. Oh, great. We can still do this. We can still do this. We can still do this. Come on, come on, come on. They're shooting Batman at us. Alright, well that's all the time I have today for Happy Wheels. Thanks for watching, comment, like, and subscribe.